Hi everybody, it's Walby here again, and I've got Ramses doing a puzzle below the camera. Wanna say hi?
Hi.
We are continuing our SmackDown Here Comes the Pain tournament featuring He-Man and the Masters of the Universe characters, and this final fight of our first tier is going to feature Jitsu with a 71-point superstar rating. He is going up against the Horde Force Captain Catra, who has 76 points for her superstar rating.
Yeah.
Two very powerful villains squaring off against each other. Both of them, I would make the statement, are well versed in martial arts. Or similar fighting styles anyway. Alright, now Jitsu. That does not look anything like his armor except in color. He fell victim to me being tired of doing solid colors and things like that. I just did it to break up the monotony of what I was dealing with. Also, I believe it's his trunks. I think his trunks are supposed to be red. Jitsu was done from memory, but you know what? I like how he looks. I like how he turned out. And I really think that that Goldberg entrance really suits him. And of course, Sable's music for the entrance really lends itself to Catra. Being the only female member of the Horde here in this game, she's a rarity as opposed to the later SmackDown and WWE games that I've done, where most of the Horde is made up of females. And yes, I did the mask on Catra, even though I know she's going to turn into a cat because of it. I'd say that was some showing off between both of them. And yeah, Catra's going and hitting Jitsu in the face pretty hardcore there. This is... pretty interesting matchup here. A lot of chops and a lot of throat thrusts, it looks like. Countering as well. And I'm pretty sure Jitsu's got the same move there on the ropes. Catra actually committed to a grapple move. Let's see if Jitsu does the same, and it looks like he's going to. And a big one, big suplex off the top rope there, back suplex. And he follows up with a fist from the top rope as well. Catra with more counters and throat thrusts. Jeez. You know, I gave her some kicks. In fact, her her finisher is the sweet chin music. I figured I would do that since the She-Ra cartoon that Filmation did was a little bit goofy. Catra, I don't think, was given the full extent of the integrity that her character could have had. But just for the nod to what Filmation accomplished when making certain things goofy and cartoonish, I gave her the sweet chin music. Maybe, you know, the whole taunt is her way of really getting under her opponent's skin after she does that move to him. Big kick missed by Catra. And Jitsu answers with one of his own. Buzzsaw kick. And there we go. I'm disappointed that Steve Blackman move is no longer in the WWE arsenal. He does his finisher, turns around and does a back low blow on it. And it's not going to have the same effect now. Choke slam. If you had a big golden ham when you choke slam somebody, Catra battling back with that drop kick to the face, up on the top rope, and let's see if she can pull off the moonsault. And she kind of clipped him, but missed that. Oh, there she goes. All right, she missed her clothesline, but she got countered again by Jitsu. Another one. Wow. Go. Catra's still fighting back though. She's definitely not giving up here. And she's ready to win at all costs too, it looks like. Missed the drop kick, but Jitsu's going to throw her into the other turnbuckle. And kick her in the face along with the ref. Hurricane Rana. And another vicious choke there. And just nicked Jitsu in the head with that missile drop kick. This has been nothing but a chop, chop, chop match. Everybody's chopping each other. Drop toe hold. And a nice big kick to the chest too. Catra's making a comeback. Just clawing its face there. And oh, counter from her finisher. Catra's still fighting back though. Jitsu's got a finisher of his own, and if she doesn't watch it, he might land it on her. There we go. Catra is likely out of it. Pinfall right there. Jitsu's victorious. So he will be facing Man-at-Arms. So we're going to have a little bit of a card back matchup. Jitsu's card back, if I remember right. Where he was. No, he won't. He's going to fight Man-at-Arms. Yep. We're going to have a card back matchup just like the old toy depicted with Jitsu's art. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the second tier of the Masters of the Universe tournament here on SmackDown. Here comes the pain. Peace.